Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to come and speak to you. Njagala okwebaza okumpa a chance kano okujja okwogera nammwe about COVID vaccine. And the COVID vaccinator ku ddwaliro Croydon University Hospital. And I've been doing that job since the vaccine came in December 2020. Nafuna vaccine yange yasooka mu December 2020, nenfuna ne second dose ne booster. Kati preparing okufuna the autumn booster for this year. Mwena mumanyi ebizibu bya COVID vaccine nga bwe twafiirwa abantu abangi ne abantu abangi abaafuna obulwadde bwa COVID ate n'abalala abalivinga with long COVID n'ebizibu bya long COVID. Ndi wano okuba encouraginga okufuna vaccines zammwe. Naddala abantu abatannaba kufuna first ne second dose mu considering ne vaccines zammwe. Musobola ogifuna through your GP. Oba toyina GP, you can still register okufuna your COVID vaccine. Manyi nti waliwo rumors nyingi nnyo eza COVID vaccine. Naye tubadde ne vaccine eyo kati for 2 years. Bantu bangi nnyo bagifunye. I'm sure mwena mumanyi omuntu afunye COVID vaccine. Abantu abasinga babeera bulungi. Naye with any drug, any medicine, abantu abamu tebareactinga bulungi. Naye mu kufuna vaccine ne medicine yenna muba muweyinga risk. What is the risk for me okufuna obulwadde obwo oba okufuna vaccine? Ate buli muntu ali different. So ndi wano okuba encouraginga nti mulowooze ku bulamu bwo oba gy'okola. Osooka nga okola ne general public, which means you're more exposed, you're more at risk. Bw'oba okola nga tofuluma, nsobogamba owaaye sijja gifuna kubanga risk yange ey'okukwatibwa COVID eri low kubanga nkolera waka, siraba bantu bangi. Naye oba okolera mu general public, okozesa public transport, you're more at risk. N'ekirala okulowooza abantu abalala bw'ogenda okuba ng'omiitinga basobola okuba nga bali vulnerable. Nsobola okuba ng'olina abantu abalina additional medical conditions, diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, HIV. Ebyo byonna biba makinga more vulnerable. Kale bw'osobola okusalawo nti sigenda kufuna vaccine. Naye ate abo abantu b'omiitinga bw'obeera ne COVID oluusi tomanya, osobola okugipassinga ono ku bantu abali vulnerable ate bo ne babeera bubi nnyo. Also older people, mu community yaffe tulina abantu abali older. That also makes them more vulnerable. Abato tusobola okugamba nze COVID simutya ne vaccine sijja gifuna. Naye ate bwe n'oleeta COVID n'omuspreadinga to the older generation abali nawo. So njagala mu considering yourself, your own health. Osobola okuba ng'olina medical conditions z'otamanyi. Abantu abamu tebamanyi nti balina diabetes, abantu abamu tebamanyi nti balina high blood pressure. Oluusi bategeera after they've had the COVID, bagenda okucheckinga nga blood sugar ziri high blood pressure nga naye ali high. Ate n'ogattako COVID, that makes you more vulnerable, you're more likely to be very ill. Naye ate bw'ofuna vaccine, in most cases, yes, abantu abamu bafunye vaccine ne bafuna ne COVID, but in most cases babeera balwadde nnyo. Cases za COVID zigenze down era twebaza Mukama. Abantu abafa for COVID, they are less in the UK, that is. Naye at the same time, but then I was looking at the statistics if I came up. They've started going up a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit, but they are still going up compared to, let's say, in July. Even in the hospital, the cases are going up. They are little, but they are going up. So that's the difference. Ekitegeeza COVID akyaliwo. Ekirungi is that it's about 80% of the population have had their first vaccine. And that is very good. Rather than the spread is not as much. Naye mu China 20% abatannaba kufuna their vaccine at all. and it's about 69% abafunye booster yaabwe. So olaba awo be ne wabeerawo gap, mukyalimu abantu bangi abatannaba kufuna vaccine. Mmanyi nti abantu bakyebuuzabuuzaamu vaccine, wakyaliwo rumors nyingi nnyo eza vaccine, naye nze bwe nzijukira COVID bwe yasooka okujja, abasinga nga tusaba Mukama tuyambe tufune solution. Nze kunze vaccine was one solution, era neebaza Mukama. So we bagamba vaccine etuuse, I was one of the first people to get it. So njagala okuba encouraging okufuna vaccine. Abantu abalina questions about the vaccine, you know, talk to your GP. You can register to go have the vaccine and still talk to the people there. But bangi bazze nga batuuse okufuna vaccine ne balyebuuza naye ddala vaccine ebitekiratuuta. Owulidde ne tubyogeramu ne mba reassuring nga vaccine has been around for 2 years. So many people have had it. Yes, some people have had complications from it, but that is a very, very small percentage compared to what we have without getting the vaccine. Any questions?
So we find out vaccine, first and second, then booster, next if any reaction, bad reaction. So we're not confident to a booster, it will be the same or actually guaranteed.
Ekibuuzo kiri nti bwe mba nafuna vaccine yange eyo esooka n'eyokubiri ne booster ne sifuna any side effects embi, waliwo guarantee nti kati bwe nfunira autumn booster era ejja kubeera bubi, tewali guarantee. Nange nafuna vaccine zange zonna essatu saayinako any bad side effects, naye there is no guarantee nti onookufunira tojja kufuna side effects. General side effects, pain in the arm, obviously, abantu abamu babeera nga abalina omusujja, but normally those symptoms are 24 hours, 48 hours. For some people, the symptoms are also they're on for too long, maybe 3 or 4 days, or take medical attention. It could be to the vaccine, it could be something else.
If I had, my question is, if I had my first and second dose and didn't have the booster and don't know to get any booster, am I in danger?
We recommend you get a booster. The way I think the city scientists never explaining it until a very
various when you take it, that's when we need the booster. Kubanga vaccine oba producing ebeera aimed at a particular virus. Naye virus nekyusaamu kati. So China protection, naye with the new mutant, yesobola okurwaza. That's why you need a booster. So that's why you're being encouraged to have the booster. Similar to the flu jab, every year, flu virus is slightly different. That's why every year you need your flu jab. Ddagala encouraging abantu abali mu group, diabetes, high blood pressure, those sort of things we're considering. Already maybe I don't know, take on COVID, you're more likely to be ill. It's going to, the chances are very small, we're just sailing through that COVID. It's just those additional needs. And we never can also talk nothing about COVID vaccine. And those that actually COVID, it's COVID as a disease is not the only thing we have to consider in our community. We have to also consider our diet and nutrition, exercise, and also strength levels. So we look at COVID, it really is a healthy, the whole body. But COVID, it makes us consider our health. The various COVID is one issue, but what is our diet like? Normally, our diet is not very good. That's why we end up with diabetes. Also, exercise. We also need that. But it's affecting how we react to any other disease that comes across. The stress levels. Being here sometimes can be very, very stressful. We work in long hours, we have families to look after, we've got families back home. Your stress levels actually affect your immune system. So to find ways to reduce our stress levels. One way to reduce our stress levels is coming together like this. To celebrating us. So let's not stop meeting together. But those are the things I want to encourage you to look after your health, your diet, eat healthy, your fruit and vegetables, definitely. Less sugar, less fried food, less takeaways. Okay? And then multivitamins, especially as we're coming into winter, vitamin D, vitamin C. Boosting your immune system. Immune system, you will be at its optimum best. When a disease comes, your body is ready to fight it. Body you will be in low. Feeding any little diseases just stress levels. Stress definitely affects our immune system. So let's try and reduce our stress levels. And we need our exercise. I think the minimum recommendation is 30 minutes a week, which is quite small. But let's put exercise in our daily routine.
Back home, Johnson, I'm supposed to fire. You don't need second boosting.
I don't know. But when I was with Pfizer, and when I Pfizer, so that's the boosters that we are recommending. But we told our government website, I'm sure it will say if Abafana Johnson and Johnson or any other vaccine, they need a booster. I'm not sure about that.
Ikibuzo kyange kikwatagana n'ekyo nti bwe banafuna Pfizer bayinza okuva Moderna as a booster.
At the moment, two are just Pfizer. N'abafuna Moderna bafuna kati Pfizer booster. So far bagamba Pfizer ewa better protection. That's why it's what's being offered to most people.
Nakoyongedde ku diet and exercise. Bwe mba nga ndya bulungi n'enyokeza ng'abantu abalala beenyokeza n'enkola n'eddoyo really neetaaga okukola vaccine ezo zonna.
Yes, era weetaaga okukola vaccine kubanga bayitugambye virus empya, so your body is not used to it. Over time, hopefully, we'll build up immunity. As you expose to the virus again and again, your body does build up immunity. But virus, it will come. That's the challenge as well for all of us. Omicron mwamulaba bwe yakuba abantu nabo. So we don't know what winter is going to bring. And everyone in the medical field is waiting to see have we conquered this disease or not. The winter will be the one to tell us how well we are prepared or not. And also if we get any more variants. At the moment, we don't know.
Wherever virus, it is specific vaccination, the time when you collaborate.
Explaining our branch body to produce more antibodies. Over time, our antibodies go down. Instead of that any immunity, it's just boosted as well. It's that boost to get more antibodies, you know.
So we will do tumanyi bulijjo nti okugema banafuya kawuka kebakuteekamu kwezi ennaku zinabadde neetaaga okuddamu okugema yellow fever ne baga nti okunoonyereza kati okuliwo bw'oba wafuna yellow fever it is for life. Kakati mmwe munafuya ki okututeekamu kuba kano akawuka tekaliiwo kuba otugambye nti tuba tukalinda bulinzi bwe muba mumanafuya kali kati ke booster mukajja wake munafuya kati kanajja okatuteekamu ntegekeze kirabika
This is scientists, but this is what I understand. Kubanga naye nga base yayo is still similar. They are still in the similar range, if I can call it. They are in the same family, exactly. So, Mofuna booster, it's building up more antibodies. And also the vaccines, that's what I was producing, as it choose some depending on what is current. But of course, sometimes the also does it producing as quickly as what is current. They are all in the same family, so the vaccine will offer some protection. The Omicron value to China, but it still offers you some protection because it is in the same family. And at the moment, the virus is still in the same family, but it can change completely. We do not know at the moment.
Over number 3. Ddagala okubuuza bubuuzi bubiri. Naye mmanyi answers. Kakati omuntu g'agenda okufuna vaccination mumuwa amagezi ki?
Okay, well, what job for vaccine or two how to pose that you are generally well, total right. But twagala kuwa vaccine, no getting a vaccine to tumani or brand or batena making the ones for vaccine. So normally to pose how you feel, are you generally well? Most people can get the vaccine. There are very, very few contraindications as you can know for vaccine.
Sekangateko kwekyo kyogeze kinama kimanyiza. Nze nali neyo vaccination nasoma nakola research yamaanyi nali ŋŋaanyi naye kubanga nalina okugenda okulaba maama wange ekyo nekinkola kinforcinga kakati ekyanforcinga nenzifuna naye before I did that nagenda ewa GP nefuna emoti kale zikigamba nti mwene mufune emoti abantu baadvisinge bagende ewa GP babacekinge bamanye ekiki ekibaluma kubanga babaga tebakibacekinze ne bajja ewammwe ne bamubuuza olina kino noga nti nedda naye nga ate togekereza kale ekyagadde okukata ate nekirala omuntu bw'aba agenda okufuna vaccination mumuwaki mumuwa ddagala kimuwa magezi ki
ekyo tukuwa ddagala lyonna ng'ozijja okufuna vaccine. Ojja okufuna vaccine normally tugamba kyangu nga ofiiringa well, you're not ill. So tetukuwa eri ddagala. Naye abantu bamala okufuna vaccine basobola okubuuza kati bwembeera nfiiringa unwell, for example, empulira nti nnoba mu temperature, what can I do? They would recommend for you to take some paracetamol. But again, tulyemerera ekijja kubyogeramu to make sure tolina allergies, for example. Naye era n'abantu abalina allergies, depending on what allergies, most allergies tebikugaana kufuna vaccine.
webalindira kangateko
in the vaccination 4 hours before vaccination, natwala paracetamol. Ate era bwe navaayo wayitawo 4 hours era nentwala 2 kubanga gamba tutwala more than 4. Kale nze ssaawa omwana nako luusi abantu bafuna emikolo egibikambirana nakati zikiyagadde okugattako olwamba tikikikola ate musobola okuwa abantu omukisa nze kyankolera n'abantu abalala kyabakolera nasoma mu kisitaaki kale webalibwebalibwala
paracetamol, abantu bakitubuuza nnyo, should they take paracetamol beforehand? Siri doctor naye doctor bwe tukola nabo yatugamba tasobola kugamba kutwala ddagala nga tulina symptoms. So tetusobola kugamba bantu okusooka kutwala ddagala nga tebanaba kujja ku vaccine kuba tebanaba kufuna symptoms ezo. Naye abantu abasinga batwala ka paracetamol kaabwe beforehand.
Kyebadde ngamba paracetamol mutwala kugaza emisuwa bw'oba ofuyeyo katolo kyakatono mu musaayi tekakugibikira omusaayi gusobola okubanikira. Paracetamol tekola nga ddagala nti oba lyonagezekijamu agaziya mugaziya misuwa ne kukapula ebyobutono omusaayi ne guba nti gusobola okutambula ne bw'oba ofunye mu katolo kyakatono tofuna kutawaana. I'm a scientist.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yongerako vote of thanks, Catherine Cargill, Catherine, thank you so much. That was excellent, wonderful. We're actually ready for winter. Go get your boosters.